Namaste everyone, this is Preeti, your face yoga coach. Today I'll share a short tutorial on how to use Kansa Wand for your facial treatments. I start by cleaning my face and applying Kumkumadi face oil by my brand Sato Pure Life. This oil not only helps to nourish my skin but also provides smooth glide which I require for the treatment. I start from the center of the forehead, move the wand clockwise and anti-clockwise 5 times each. I move it then upward from the center of the forehead in direction V towards the hairline. This is from the origin point of the muscle to the insertion point. This helps in toning the muscle. As I move the wand from the center of the forehead to the temple, it helps in detoxification of the skin. Contact of the Kansa wand with the skin helps to maintain the pH balance of the skin. Then I move the Kansa wand over my eye and under my eye. With this each movement, I am draining the lymph. As I drain the lymph, it helps in reducing the puffiness of under the eyes as well as helps to reduce the dark circles. Each movement of Kansa wand is miraculous. It not only helps to detoxify the skin but also helps to improve the cellular vibration. This helps to increase the oxygenation to the skin and also helps in improving the blood circulation. As I move towards the cheek, I am moving my Kansa wand in 45-degree upwards, starting from the nose, mouth. All these movements have to be done under the cheek. The movements at cheekbone are always below the cheek and the muscles are uplifted. Hence, the movement is in 45 degrees. This not only helps to tone the muscles but also gives you a good detoxification, reducing the puffiness of the face. After each movement, make sure you're draining out the liquids by moving the wand in clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. The final movement will be under the ear and I will move it again from the under the ear area to the neck. As I move down to the collarbone, I'm draining out all the lymph and this is helping in slimming of my neck as well. I move the wand in circular directions under my chin, lifting up the chin. For more such treatment, follow, like and subscribe my channel. The products that I have used are available on my website satorpure.life.